I want to raise a very concrete case with you today and look for action. It's an issue where the state is not just not doing enough to protect biodiversity, it is actively destroying it. The issue is the ongoing slaughter of badgers by the Department of Agriculture. You'll have seen the Journal Investigates report saying that the department has killed over 66,000 badgers in the last 10 years. The way that the badgers are killed is horrific. They're trapped in snares, leading to internal organ damage, ruptured bladders, and even disembowelment. This includes pregnant and lactating badgers leaving their cubs to starve to death. Other wild animals, including over 4,000 foxes in the last 10 years, also get trapped in the snares. Ireland is the only country in Europe committed to the large-scale, government-licensed slaughter of badgers. Snaring badgers is banned in Scotland and Wales. According to opinion polls, over 2/3 of people want it banned here as well. England has promised to phase out killing badgers and replace it with vaccination, following scientific research that found that all this slaughter had no significant impact on TB incidence in cattle. 15 years of research by the Department of Agriculture here has also found that vaccination is no less effective than culling. The real cause of the bovine TB epidemic is not badgers. I've got another minute.
Oh, excuse me. Yes,
I've 6:45.
Yes.
These beautiful, innocent badgers are being made a scapegoat for industrial farming practices, where dairy herd sizes have ballooned, where you get bigger herds and more intensive farming, you get more disease. The Department of Agriculture admits that killing badgers is not sustainable in the long term due to its ultimate impact on badger ecology. It knows it doesn't work to control TB. So then, why on earth did it slaughter over 7,000 badgers last year, the highest number in a decade? Will you commit today to end the irrational, state-sanctioned cruelty and biodiversity destruction?
Thank you, Deputy.